Hello friends, welcome to our HTML series. This is the first video of HTML. If you want to learn HTML, please follow this series. This series is very helpful for beginner to advanced level. This is the syllabus of HTML. Uh, these modules are we discuss in this video. Before the content, we will discuss IDE because this is the basic need of developer. Whenever we talk about front end and back end development, we need an IDE in both cases. So first we will discuss the IDE itself. What is IDE? IDE full form Integrated Development Environment. It means it's provide a environment for coding, a software application that provides tool for coding, help developers write text and debugging code efficiently. It means if we start coding, then we need first IDE. It is a software for coding. So let's see features of IDE. Code editor provide a space to write and edit code. Debuggers help find and fix error in the code. If you have any error in the code, then it's help to find out the error. Compiler and interpreter. Compiler, it means if you write a code in any language, it's compile in machine language easily. Here they write convert code into machine language. Syntax highlighting, color different elements for better readability. It means it provides color tag, like if you write any function, it provides function in different color, variable in different color, so you easily find out what is function, what is variable. So completes, it means if you write any code and then tag time, if you forget any tag, it suggests code to speed up writing, up your coding writing skills. Version control integrations, it means it supports multiple developer in one platform works. Efficiency, speed up development with the smart tools. Error reduction, identify mistakes early. Better debugging, help in finding and fixing error easily. User friendly, provides a structure and organized workspace. Multiple language support, supports various programming languages. Popular IDE, Visual Studio, lightweight, extensible. PyCharm, best for Python developer. Different IDEs with different language. So here we discuss about HTML. So first we install Visual Studio. Conclusion, IDE simplify coding and improving productivity. Choose an IDE based on your programming language and project needs. Using an IDE help the beginner and professional in software development. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.